children. I am K. Krishnapriya, your class 2 teacher for maths. Welcome to the new online session. In today's session, we are going to learn about addition. Okay? You all know addition. In your first standard, you might have gone through the addition. Now let us recall what you have learned in your first standard. What is addition? Addition is combining of any two things, two or more things actually. Okay. Now you can see in the picture there are two dots and three blue dots. So combining, let us do the addition. For before that, the two dots, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and to this 2 we should add the 3 more dots. After 2 what will come? 3, 4 and 5. Now totally how many blue dots are there in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 and 3 is how much? 5. Now, addition. What is addition? When we put two or more numbers together, it is called as addition. The sign for addition is plus. You all know how to write plus, right? See, this is the sign for addition. Now, in this picture, can you see 4 pencils are there? And another 4 pencils are also there. Now, 4 plus 4, how much? You can very well count and write this. Now count. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many pencils are there in the picture? There are 8 pencils. All of you open your Pearls Sem 1 textbook, page number 99, which is your addition chapter. In this, the first one is get started. You can very well write that because I explained in the previous picture what to do. Next is the add column. These are very simple additions and you might have done in your first standard. Now what I'll do is, I'll teach you a smarter way of doing addition because you have come from first to second, means you are going up, right? Now, in order to add 3 plus 4, what I'll tell is keep the bigger number in your mind and take the smaller number in your hands. Now, in 3 and 4, which is the larger one? 4, isn't it? Now, keep the 4 in your mind. Take the 3 fingers. And what is the number after 4? 5, 6 and 7. Right? 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. Write 7 over there. You can write in your textbook only. The place is already given for you. Next, 5 plus 2 and 7 plus 2. This you will do for your practice. In this 7 plus 2 is which I gave for your practice. It is not in your textbook. Right? Next, coming to the first row. Other two sums you will do it for yourself for the practice, and come to the second row. In this I wrote O and T. What is this O and T? Yes, O is for ones and T is for tens. Always remember you should add ones first and next we should go to tens. If you start counting, will you start counting from 1 or you will start counting from 11? When I count, I'll start counting from 1 only. So I'll always add ones first. This one, what we have to do? Keep 4 in your mind and take 3 in your hand. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. Write 7 here. 7. Next, 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1. I'll tell, keep 2 in mind and take 1 finger. After 2, 3. Write 3 there. You can do the other two sums for yourself. Okay? Do practice. Maths is the subject which you will get by doing practice. Next we will go to adding 3 numbers using a number line. You know what is a number line first? You have to draw a line starting from 0. See, I draw a line starting from 0 and I extended the numbers up to 20. You can draw like this a line and you should keep a numbers on that line. This is called a number line. Why number line? It is very easy for adding. See, I have given you a question over here. Meera has 7 points. Mummy gives her 3 more points. Papa gives her another 5. How many coins does she have in all? This is our question which we have to solve by using the number line. Now, how many coins does Meera have? She has 7 coins. So go straight to 7. After that her mother gave how many coins? 3 coins. From 7 start counting 3. 1, 2 and 3. So where I came from 7 to 10. See? And after that her father gave how many coins? Her father gave her 5 more coins. Now from 10 count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from 10 it came to 15. 7 plus 3 plus 5 is how much? 15. So how many coins did Meera have in total? She is having 15 points. Now these are the sums which you should solve by using the number line. Solve these sums in your maths classwork notes. You should write with a neat writing. See, first write the question, draw the number line. As I told you, start from 0 and you can write up to 20. From there, let me explain you the first one. 5, right? From 5, start from 5. Next count. After 5, where you will come? You will come up to 10. And after that 10, again start counting 5. You will get 15. The first one I am writing you. You have to do it the other sums for yourself. Practice it. Because the more you practice, the more you will get maths. Okay, write down the questions and solve it in your maths classwork. As you are having some textbook with you, you will be having the questions. Check the book and write it. Now, here is a quick tip for you to add 3 numbers by grouping. In order to add the 3 numbers, first check if the addition of any 2 numbers is 10. Okay. Now, in the given question, what is the question? 6 plus 4 plus 7. What is 6 plus 4? See, 6 in your mind, take 4 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. In order to remember the sum of which 2 numbers gives you 10, let me give you a small table, okay, and explain you. The friend of 1 is 9. Because when you are opening 1, see how many fingers you are closing? You are closing 9 fingers, right? So the friend of 1 is 9. At the same time, the friend of 9 will be 1 because while you are opening 9 fingers, you are closing 1 finger. In the same way, the friend of 2 will be 8 because while you are opening 2 fingers, you will be closing 8 fingers. Can you count? Count for yourself. At the same time, the friend of 8 will be 2 because I am closing the 2 fingers. Now, the friend of 3 will be, see how many fingers I closed? 7 fingers I am closing, right? So, the friend of 3 is 7. And if I take 7 fingers, how many fingers I am closing? 3. So, the friend of 7 will be 3. Now, the friend of 4 will be, while I take 4 fingers out, see how many fingers I am closing? 6. So, the friend of 4 will be 6. And the friend of, if I take 6 fingers, how many fingers I am closing? 4. So, the friend of 6 is 4. Next, the friend of 5 is, in order to take 5 fingers, I am closing my 5 fingers. So the friend of 5 is 5. Okay. Now, remember this. The friend of 1 is 9. The friend of 2 is 8. The friend of 3 is 7. The friend of 4 is 6. The friend of 5 is 5. The friend of 6 is 4. The friend of 7 is 3. The friend of 8 is 2. The friend of 9 is 1. Parents, please ask your children about this in middle while they are playing and all, so that they will not forget this. Now, this is your exercise 3.1 in your SEM 1 book. Okay. Now, you should find the sum of the three numbers. In order to find the sum of three numbers, first look for the numbers which gives you 10. So, the addition will be easy. Now, see the first one, 7. The first one is 7 plus 6 plus 4, right? What is the friend of 7? 3, isn't it? Is 3 there? No, no. Then go for second one. 6 plus 4 is, friend of 6 is 4, right? So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Like that only. Go for next sum. See 3. The friend of 3 is 7. Is 7 here? No, no. So keep 3 aside. Now 2 plus 8. Friend of 2 is 8, right? 2 plus 8 is 10. And 8 plus 3 will be 13. Next 4. Friend of 4 is 6. Yes, here 6 is there. See? The friend of 4 is 6. Right? Now 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Isn't it maths very interesting and easy to do? Yes. Now the friend of 6 is 4. Is 4 there? No, no. Go for next one. 5. The friend of 5 is 5, of course. See, both 5s are there. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Next, go for the next sum. 6. The friend of 6 is 4. Is 4 there? No, no. Next, go for the next digit. 7. 7. The friend of 7 is 3. It is there? Yes, it is. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Now, 2. The friend of 2 is 8. Is 8 there? Yes, it is. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. See how fastly I solved all these sums? Practice this. You can also do it very fast. Okay? So here are some sums for you to practice. Don't forget to look for the friends. First one, see 3, 7 and 3. Friend of 3 is 7. It is given there. 3 and 7 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Do in that way only. Okay. Now note down the sums. If you have Parallels book, you will be having in your textbook only, and the space is provided for you to answer. Okay. You might have note down. Practice, because the more you practice, the maths will be more easy for you to do. Yes. Next our topic is properties of addition. Under the properties of addition, we have three properties. First one is adding 0. Right? Next one is adding 1. Next one is order of addition. Now we are going to go in brief about these properties of addition. Okay. Next, our topic is adding 0. What is our first property of addition? Adding 0. If we add a 0 to any number, then the answer will be a number itself. Let me ask you one thing. What is 0? 0 is nothing. Okay. If I tell I gave you 0 chocolates. Did I give you any chocolate? No, no. Say, if you are having 3 chocolates and I will give you 0 chocolates. How many chocolates you will have? You will have 3 chocolates only, isn't it? So, if you add a 0 to any number, then the number will be itself. Okay? See here, look at the picture. There are 5 marbles. There are 5 marbles and I am adding 0 marbles to it. So, the total number of marbles will be 5 only. Like that only, 9 plus 0 is 9. Is this number and this number are the same? Yes, no? Now you do it for yourself. 10 plus 0 will be how much? Write it there. Okay? So, what is our next property of addition? It is adding 1. When we add 1 to a number, the answer will be the next number of the number which we have added. Suppose, if you are having 3 ice creams and I tell I am giving you 1 more ice creams. You already have 3, right? And I am giving 1. So, the answer is 4 ice creams, right? So, first one you have 3. If we are adding 1, the total is 4. The answer will be the number next one to itself. Now, see here. There were 5 marbles. To that 5 marbles, I added 1 more marble. Now, what is the next number after 5? It is 6, right? So, the answer will be 6 marbles. Like that only 6. For 6, we are adding 1. What is the number after 6? It is 7, right? Now, for 10, we are adding 1. What is the number after 10? It is 11. Write it down there. Next, what is the third property of the addition? It is the order of the addition. In addition, number can be added in any order. The number remains the same. See, let me tell you a simple example. If our relatives are coming to your home, first 2 relatives came, next 3 relatives came, next 4 relatives came. So total how many were there? 9. Isn't it right? Okay. Now, let me count. I'll ask you, at last how many came? 4, right? After that, how many, before them how many came? 3, right? Before them, how many came? 2. So, total how many? 9 relatives. Is the order changed? Is the result changed? No, no. The order is same. Like that only. See here. First, 4 children are there. Next, two more children had come to play. Next, 3 more children come to play. Total how many children? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, total 9 children are there. If I tell first 3 children came, next the 2 children came, then the 4 children added, does the answer change or not? It is the same. It is the 9 only. Okay? 9 children. So, you can add in any order. Let me give you another example. You are having 5 chocolates. Your mother gave you 3 chocolates. Your father gave you 2 more chocolates. Total how many? 5, which you have. How many chocolates did your mother give? 3. And how many chocolates did your father give? 10. Total how many chocolates? 10. Now, let me ask you the same question in another manner. How many chocolates did your mother give? 3. How many chocolates do you have? 5. How many chocolates did your father give? 2. 10. Is the answer same? Yes. Like that, the order remains the same. See here. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9, isn't it? Next, 4 plus 3 is 4 and 3. 4 in mind, take 3 fingers, 4 after 5, 6 and 7. Now, 7 in mind, add 2. 7 in mind, take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. Is the answer same or any difference is there? Same, right? So, you can add the numbers in any order. The sum remains the same, means the answer will be the same. See, you can add 6 plus 9 plus 4 in this 6 many ways. See, first one I have added for you. Now, the friend of 6 is 4. So 10 plus 9 is 19, which I already gave it for you. Now you have to check the answer for all the remaining 5. You can add it in any way. See, here 6 came first in the first one. In the second one 6 came in middle, like that. You can change the numbers in any way and the sum will be the same. Now you check. Now you do the answer for all this addition and let me know whether it is answer is 19 or not. Do practice, okay? So these are our lessons for this session 1. Do practice. Don't forget, maths is a subject which if you practice more it will be very easy for you. Okay? Happy learning. Hari Om. Thank you.